Hi, I'm Jack Schramm, the head bartender at Pernod Ricard, New York City. And I'm going to show you how to take a classic cocktail format and customize it to make it your own. Now, my friend Kyla is about to get married, and for her bridal shower, she wanted me to design her a cocktail specifically for her that reflected her personality, and I knew exactly what she needed. It's called Kyla's Margarita. You're going to take your shaking tin, put it down in front of you. 1 full ounce of fresh lime juice, because we want it to be so bright and refreshing, just like her bright, sunny personality. Now, usually with a sour style cocktail, you want to use equal parts sour and sweet, but uncut agave nectar is so sweet that for an ounce of lime juice, you only need a ½ ounce in the tin. The crisp clarity of Avion Silver is the perfect complement to those ingredients, but we're only going to use 1 ounce of it because Kyla happens to be a little smoky, a little saucy, so we want to add an ounce of Maguey Vida Mezcal. At this point, we're ready to add ice to the tin. And while you're at it, go ahead and fill up a rocks glass as well, because we're going to strain this one over fresh ice. Seal your tin, shake it up. Strain that over fresh ice. And I tell you what, let's garnish that with a lime wheel tonight. She's gonna love it, and so will you. Have fun with cocktails and make them your own. Cheers.